How to change the password of Amazon Prime. Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to a new video on app tutorial. Now the way that you change your password of Amazon Prime is really easy. You just open up your web browsers and search for primevideo.com. We are using the website because there is no option to change it within the application. From here you just sign into your account. Once the sign in is complete, you can tap on the profile icon on the top right and then open up your accounts and settings under the more option. From the accounts and settings tab, you'll see an option of your details. Make sure you are on the your accounts tab and tap on edit on Amazon. Next, you'll again need to sign into your account. So just type in your password and your email address and tap on sign in. Now it's going to give you a section of login and security. You just tap on edit option on the passwords tab. And now you can create a new password. But before that, make sure you enter in your current password. If you don't know your current password, you won't be able to change it and you will need to reset your password. Now you can create your new password and again re-enter it. Make sure that both of these passwords match and then tap on save changes. And there you go, as easy as that. You have now successfully changed your password of Amazon Prime. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.